Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Unlock a superior gaming experience on your PC with your PS4 controller, bringing comfort and familiarity to your favorite titles. Many PC gamers prefer the DualShock force feel, and now you can easily connect it to your Windows 10 machine. This updated guide walks you through every step, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free setup. Get ready to dive into your games with the controller you love, whether wired or wireless, making your PC gaming truly enjoyable. Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller via a USB cable is the absolute quickest way to jump into your games. This method is incredibly straightforward. Windows 10 usually recognizes the controller instantly. Just grab a standard micro USB cable, plug one end into your DualShock 4, and the other into any available USB port on your PC. Most modern games will immediately detect it, letting you play without any extra steps, offering a true plug-and-play experience. For ultimate wireless freedom, connecting your PlayStation 4 controller via Bluetooth is a fantastic option. First, ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled, then put your controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button until the light bar flashes rapidly. Next, go to your Windows 10 Bluetooth settings, click Add Bluetooth or other device, and select Bluetooth. Your controller should appear, ready for pairing. While basic functionality works out of the box, DS4 Windows is a game changer for unlocking your PlayStation 4 controller's full potential. This free, open-source application allows extensive customization, from remapping buttons to configuring the touchpad and even setting up custom profiles for different games. Simply download it from the official DS4 Windows website, install, and run it. It's perfect for games that don't natively support PlayStation controllers, offering a truly tailored gaming experience. Sometimes, even with the best setup, you might encounter small issues. A quick restart of your PC often resolves minor connection glitches, or try reinstalling the controller drivers through Device Manager. Always ensure your PlayStation 4 controller is fully charged, or if wired, that the cable is securely connected. Remember to regularly check for updates for DS4 Windows and your Windows 10 operating system. These updates often bring improved compatibility and fixes, ensuring your gaming remains smooth and uninterrupted for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.